I think the number one mistake people make is they think they can make up for no activity at all with a ton of intensity. So they basically sit on their butt all week and then they'll go to the gym and do a 45-minute HIIT class, which isn't really truly HIIT. It's moderate intensity. It's not really true high intensity. So the first thing we want to do when we work with somebody is, one, we want to see what their aerobic base is. Because if you don't have a good aerobic base or general physical preparedness, GPP, you're not going to adapt to training. So the first 8 weeks of training is going to be a lot of movement. We're going to do a lot of circuits. We're going to see how you move. We want to make sure you move well and efficiently. We've got two types of body types. We've got the long tubular types, which is like a Dr. Stillman. And then you've got the more of a fire hydrant, blocky type, which is me, essentially. And each body type is better at certain things. Dr. Stillman is going to be much better at rotating than I am. And I'm going to be much better at picking things up off the floor, creating power in a straight line, generating force. The Dr. Stillman body types are going to be better at top end speed. And these are at the extremes, of course. There's going to be subtle nuances in between.